In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a call to action to your HubSpot content step by step. If you want more clicks, more leads, and better conversions from your website, blog, or landing pages, adding the right CTA inside HubSpot is absolutely essential. I'll walk you through the entire process, from creating the CTA to publishing it across your content. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, navigate to the top menu and click on Marketing. From the dropdown, go to Lead Capture, and then click on CTAs. This is where you'll manage all of your call to actions inside HubSpot. The CTA tool allows you to create buttons or image-based calls to action that you can track and optimize over time. Now that you're inside the CTA section, click on Create to start building a new CTA. HubSpot will prompt you to choose the type of CTA you want to create. You'll typically see options like Button CTA or Image CTA. Most users choose Button CTA because it's clean, customizable, and works well across pages, blogs, and emails. Go ahead and select Button CTA to continue. Next, it's time to customize your CTA. This is where you design how it will actually look on your content. Start by editing the button text. This should be action-oriented and clear, like Download Now, Get Started, Book a Demo, or Sign Up Today. After that, you can change the button color to match your brand. You can also adjust the text color to make sure it contrasts well and is easy to read. HubSpot also allows you to customize the hover color, which is the color that appears when someone moves their mouse over the button. This is a small detail, but it can make your CTA feel more interactive and polished. You can also change the font and font size to match your website styling. If you want the button to appear larger or smaller, adjust the padding settings, which control the internal spacing and overall size. You can even edit borders and shape settings to make the button rounded, square, or outlined. And if you want to make it more visually appealing, you can add an optional icon inside the button, like an arrow or download symbol. Take a few moments here to make sure everything looks clean, professional, and aligned with your branding. Once the design looks good, scroll down to the Link section. This is where you define where users will go after clicking your CTA. You can paste a direct URL if you want to send traffic to an external page. Alternatively, you can choose one of your existing HubSpot pages, such as a landing page or website page. You also have options to link to a file, a meeting link, a scroll anchor on the same page, or other HubSpot assets. Choose the destination that matches your goal for this CTA. After setting the link, the next step is to name your CTA. This is important for tracking and reporting later. Choose a clear and descriptive name, something like Homepage Sign Up CTA or Blog Ebook Download Button. Naming conventions matter, especially as your number of CTAs grow, so make sure it's easy to identify in reports. Now click Save and then Publish. Your CTA is now ready to be used across your HubSpot content. You can insert this CTA into website pages, landing pages, blog posts, marketing emails, pop-ups, and even workflows. If you're using external websites, HubSpot also provides an embed code that allows you to place the CTA outside of HubSpot while still tracking performance. To add the CTA to a page, simply edit the page or post where you want it to appear, insert a CTA module or block, and select the CTA you just created. Publish or update the page, and your call to action will be live. And that's it. You've successfully created and added a call to action to your HubSpot content. A strong CTA can dramatically improve conversions, so don't skip this step when building your marketing assets. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.